Hey, thanks for watching the Jerry Rigger channel. In this video, we're going to be fixing a commercial cool portable air conditioner. If you stick around till the end, you'll also see me fix the duct for the commercial cool portable air conditioner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so today I'm working on a commercial cool portable air conditioner. It would come on for a second and shut back off, and the light in the front would, over here, the alarm was flashing. From what I understand, that can mean one of two things. Either the water tank in the bottom is full and needs to be drained, or the filter's dirty, but the filter was clean. So we took it off. It looks like dirt's been getting by the filter. I cleaned this sensor right here, which I'm assuming is some kind of an airflow sensor to tell you whether the filter is dirty or not, and it started working. To get this cover off, there's two screws at the bottom, and if you notice, these clips, they all point down. So I had to lift straight up after I took the two screws out of the bottom. Then I could pull the front panel off. And of course, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to vacuum it all out, get it all cleaned back up, try and get rid of as much of this dust as possible, and we'll put it back together, and hopefully it'll keep working for another 10 years. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention, this sensor, you can pull it straight out. It's just held in there between the fins and one of the cross pipes here. So if you pull straight out, you can pull it out and then blow it back from the back side, which is how I got it cleaned. I'm going to take this off temporarily while I clean these fins up with a vacuum cleaner and a brush. Another thing, you want to make sure you don't bend up these fins. All that airflow going through these aluminum fins is what helps transfer the cool air. And the more you bend those fins up, the less that air can flow. So you want to keep those fins straight. They do make little wire combs just specifically for straightening these out. If you do, although you just want to be careful that you don't stick it, anything too harsh in there, that, something that could, break the fins or bend them even worse than they already are when you're straightening them out. But you want to get it as straight as possible so you don't block the airflow. I gotta tell you, I've been scrubbing pretty hard at these fins, and these fins are actually pretty strong. I'm wondering if they are actually aluminum and not steel, because normally when I scrub this hard on some of these fins, I'll usually start to bend them. And I haven't seen that in this case, which is good because this thing has a lot of dirt buildup on it. And it is coming off, but it is taking quite a bit of elbow grease to do it. Perfect. It has a 5-inch duct. If it was a 4-inch duct, this would be a super easy fix. If it was a 6-inch duct, this would be a super easy fix. But it has a 5-inch duct. Now I could convert it to a 6-inch duct, but then I'd have to come up with a whole new window exit. I don't know. But anyway, so somehow I've got to fix this broken. This is here, and of course it's all broken off. So somehow I got to figure out how I'm going to fix this so that we can hook this 5-inch hose back on. All right, so here's the plan. This is a 6-inch duct. What you're supposed to do is shove this in there and then bend the tabs back. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill out these rivets. This metal's sharp, so you're going to be real careful to do it. But I'm going to drill these rivets. I'm going to run it, wrap it around till it fits into here, and then we'll put some new screws in it. And then we'll fold all these flaps back and tie them onto there, or drill them on with some self-drilling screws, of course. All right, so we'll drill them on with some self-drilling screws, of course. And hopefully this won't take but a few minutes. Hold this so you guys can see it and get this right. Ideally, you would want to put this in a vise or something to hold it. I'll try. Go from the inside. That wasn't so bad. Alright, so now we got that. We don't really have to cut it. All we have to do is squeeze it down so we get it inside this hole. Of course, got all kinds of duct tape on here. And that's probably why all the duct tape is on there. That's what I thought. That is probably good enough. All the way up to it. Kind of want it tight till we get it pointing down. There we go. All right. That should work. And it still has the thing in it, even though it's got a little piece busted out there, but I don't think it really does much anyway. So, all right, so one thing I am going to do is I'm going to just put a couple screws here just to make sure that this doesn't come loose. I'm really just being lazy because I don't want to have to drill through two pieces. I'm going through the sides that only have one piece. Alright, that should do it. Thanks for watching the Jerry Rigger channel. Once again, I got it rigged. Don't just rig it better. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys had a better way to do it, let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching the Jerry Rigger channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, one last thing I am going to do. I am going to drill a hole through the plate so they can run the hose out through the window instead of dropping it in a bucket or pinching it underneath the window like they're doing now.